Here we are, in front of a culinary treasure, not only of France, but a recipe so loved that it has conquered tables in every corner of the world. French onion soup. A heartwarming story of an onion going from zero to hero. And just when you think the sizzling and bubbling soup is the whole shebang, wait for it. There's an encore under the grill. So, what's the secret to Michelin star-worthy onion soup, you ask? The broth? No, wait. The fond brun, the brown stock, just like this. See that rich color and density? Had it chilling in the fridge, now let's give it a spin. Voila! A gelatinous mass that's far tastier than it sounds. This stuff's made from collagen. You know, the stuff keeping us from looking like raisins. Collagen, hydrolytes from bones and connective tissue. Sure, it melts when heated, but will always remain thick, full of body and substance. The aroma and taste of a brown stock made like this has more depth than an ocean, unlike the lackluster broth from your local store that will have your soup declaring bankruptcy. The fond brun is an essential base in cooking. It's an ingredient for sauces, seasonings, and more. And if you want to learn how to make a brown stock, a fond brun like a Michelin star restaurant, watch our video about it, which you can find on our Patreon page, along with much more exclusive content. Ok, assez bavardé. Let's prepare the onions. Caramelized. Onions. Sweet ones, if possible. Here we have 1.5 kilos of onions to cut et beaucoup de larmes à verser, and many tears to shed. Remember, size does matter. Cut them right so they fit snugly in your spoon. Perfect. In the end, it wasn't that bad. Okay, before we start cooking them, let's prepare the bread that will then finish our soup. Grab a baguette and slice it up. 10 minutes per side in the oven and voici. Regardez. And to give a flavor an extra boost, a rub of garlic. Our chef Ciso is afraid of vampires. He never goes without garlic. And for you, chers amis, if you don't like it, omit it. Let's get those onions caramelized now. As essential to French onion soup as jazz to New Orleans. Get your biggest pan, a Lyonnaise fry pan, preferably. Dollop of butter, a swirl of oil, and as soon as it sizzles, the onions go in. Cook them up till they are golden brown. Here's the secret: don't move them around. Leave them like this for a few minutes and the layer in contact with the bottom caramelizes. Let them sizzle until they've got more color than a sunset on the Côte d'Azur, the French Riviera. Almost there. C'est si beau, n'est-ce pas? Look at that beautiful color. Here too. We've extracted the most taste from the onion, losing very little water. We are almost done. What do we do now? We deglaze them with a chardonnay that complements the sugar these onions have with a sour undertone. No salt. We salt at the end. In goes our glorious fond brun, melting like, well, like melted gelatin. Our caramelized onions. Let it simmer like your anticipation for the season finale of your favorite show. We reduce it a bit, and of course, we salt. Based on your own stock, judge how much salt to put. Be careful not to salt too much. Voila! Everything's come together like a family reunion, and the aroma is incredibly strong. Serve it up in your bowl of choice and let's get cheesy. Nothing like some French gruyère to turn the dial up to 11 on our soup. Incidentally, the cheese also serves to protect the baguette from getting too soggy too quickly. The baguette. Ah, quelle odeur divine! What a smell! We cover with more gruyère and go under the grill to gratinate. Now you have a dish ready to melt hearts and fill stomachs. Spice it up with some chives, or go crazy with a mix of chives, tarragon and chervil. You are the chef. Who's ready to test their heat tolerance with a taste? Caesar, of course, dives right in. And the verdict? It's a home run, folks. Ah, quelle odeur et saveur divine, inégalée, sublimes et riches. And remember, friends, there's no such things as too many cooks in the kitchen. So, subscribe to Piatto and ring that bell. Let us know how your French onion soup turned out. No judgment, just love. Bon appétit!